Hello guys, this frequency is 2.8 megahertz, very stable. It is coming from 555 IC, LM 555, this one you can see. And the source frequency is coming from 1 megahertz oscillator, this one exactly, crystal oscillator. I'm not sure my camera is able to take picture or not, but this one is my frequency source, 1 megahertz crystal oscillator. The output of crystal oscillator connected to the 555 over this brown wire, this one to pin 2, and the pin 3 is output connected to the simple meter to show the frequency. The duty cycle 53.7, it is more than nice. I believe the 555 IC, the NE3 or the 7.3 or the LM3s all can divide and multiple frequency with unbelievable stages. Here is the part to increase and decrease the frequency. I will focus on the meter and will turn the part slowly. Now is 200 kilohertz, now 192 kilohertz, 172, 162, 136, 114. I believe that 96 kilohertz, and going down, and the minimum frequency should be this one. Wait a second to find the stable frequency. Very nice, 59 kilohertz. Guys, can go down more. Let me try more chance here. Very nice. Here is the schematic for this project. Frequency divided with 555, but this is not frequency divider. It is also frequency multiplier, as you checked, over 1 555 IC, 1 pot and 1 cap. We made this amazing frequency. Okay, just check the schematic exactly here. As you can see, it is super simple with the minimum components. And here is the divided frequency output with pin 3. I will try to replace the part with the other capacity, this one, and the frequency is much more stable because of this part is fixed to the breadboard much more better. As you can see now, it is 500 kilohertz. I'm turning the new part, and the maximum frequency gonna be 1 megahertz, I believe. Yeah. This one also going to 2.6 megahertz, and it is amazing with the 1 megahertz source, frequency source. Yeah, this one. The output gonna be 2.5 times bigger. I have one more nice schematic over here. I will stay on this. If you need to take a screenshot, this is triangle wave generator with 555. It is a very nice waveform if you connect this output to the scope. And also this is frequency divider and multiplier, both in one project. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Don't miss this amazing project with 555.